quick recap of IoT in retail.
Is revolutionizing the retail sector. In this video, we'll explore how this game-changing technology is transforming the way retailers operate, enhancing customer experiences and boosting sales. IoT is a network of interconnected devices that can communicate and share data through the internet. It's not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how retail businesses function. Now, let's explore into real-time inventory management. The first way IoT benefits retailers. With IoT, retailers can track inventory levels in real time thanks to the technologies like RFID tags. These allows them to reduce out-of-stock situations and overstock issues. When stock levels are accurately monitored, retailers can make informed decisions about restocking and product placement, ultimately improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Moving on to the second key benefit, enhanced customer experiences. IoT collects valuable data about customer behavior and preferences. With this data, retailers can offer personalized recommendations and discounts both in store and online. When a customer receives a personalized offer on their smartphone, it creates a sense of individual attention and care, making the shopping experiences more engaging and satisfying. Now, let's discuss the streamlined checkout process made possible by IoT. Smart self-checkout systems use IoT technology to streamline transactions, reduce lines, and increase customer satisfaction. Shoppers can quickly and conveniently complete their purchases, creating a more efficient and enjoyable shopping experiences. With IoT, the checkout process is no longer a bottleneck in retail operations. Finally, we must address the vital issues of data security in retail IoT. Protecting customer data is paramount. With the extensive use of IoT devices, retailers must implement robust cybersecurity measures, including data encryption, regular software updates, and continuous monitoring to safeguard sensitive information. Ensuring data security is not only a regularity requirement, but also a trust-building factor for customers.